Caesar's Palace right before our poker tournament. Mo Mummy, May 30th. We'll try some max bets at 375. Now, some of these machines have 750 as their max bet, but this one on 1 cent has 375 as its max bet. So let's make something happen. Why don't you cooperate with us a little, Mr. Mo Mummy? The cash collect looks ready to go. Not much going on yet, but we still believe. Okay, one of you. None of you? Okay. That would have been nice. This would be nice too. We've missed every single one of these. Make it easy. Fourth reel. It flew by like 17 times. I don't know how many of those we've missed recently. He was up there again. Mr. Mummy, come on now. Log Cleopatra's. We get another haywire. I'd really like that. Close. I don't know how close we actually are. He was up there again, which is nice. He's up there again. Oh my god, just do it. Put on your hat, and then what? Let's go to 2 cents. $3 on 2 cents. Oh yeah. Please, please. Yeah, so nicely. Pop it. Pop it. Oh. Huh. Mr. Mummy, how many cash collects have we missed? Okay, last spin, best spin. Oh yeah. Oh no. Okay. Well, we tried. $140 gone. We'll be back. Friends, we're still at Caesar's Palace. It is May 30th. Beautiful Caesar's Palace. Forum shops back there. We walked a very far distance from this machine right over here. $140-ish in there. And now here we are to this one, and I believe this one, yeah, this one too has a 375 max bet, so we'll try that. Let's get some first spin. Oh shoot, oh my god, I pushed the wrong. There's no sound on this? The heck? Oh my gosh, there's no sound on this. That's so crazy. We can't hear the little mummy grunting and making funny noises. Let's see if it's better luck with no sound. And it can't get much worse luck. Alright, there's no sound. First spin. Okay. Oh my god, okay, we got it. No sound. Let's see. It's so strange, no sound. Okay, let's get that major. Let's get that major. So we put in 140 or some odd in that one. And now here we are on this one. This was our beautiful cash out ticket on that one. 115 still. Let's go. Okay, let's get a cash collect right away. Yeah. First part is in. Oh my god, I thought it was gonna stop. First part is in play. Nope. Second spin's fine. Oh, he was up there again. Oh yeah. Free spins can be so terrible in this game. Unless you get a cash collect, obviously. Oh, yeah. One more spin. Oh, pop it. Did anything happen? Did anything happen? No. I won $10. Yay. Okay, no sound. We got one bonus. Let's get that cash collect. I mean, it showed up right away on the first spin. The mummy showed up. Let's make him show up again, people. Don't scare him away. If you're trying to scare the mummy away, don't do it. Oh, just growing. It's just growing. It's fine. Let's move our bed around a little bit, see if the machine likes that. Oh, he was up there. What are you doing? What are you doing over there, Mr. Mummy? All silent over there in that corner. Yeah. No. Let's try 2 cent, $3. A little bit higher. Obviously, progressives. We're lucky with the second bet on pennies. What's the word? Wild, wild. Look at that major up there. It's pretty high. Let's see if we switch up our bets, if it does anything. Is this silent machine lucky or no? I've seen people win big on quiet machines. Banging on the screen behind me. Oh, minor would have been a nice one. $60 minor. Free games have been crazy on this game. Got it twice. It's like 3x your bet usually. It's weird when you can't hear the mummy talk to us, isn't it? I don't know what's going on. Nothing there. Yeah. Huh. Let's put in our lucky 115 tickets. We have 2 more spins at $3. Okay. Okay. Not even. Okay. One more spin. Just pop it. Okay, well, mo mummy or no money. I think we all know the answer to this. Mo Mummy, no money. Thanks for watching. Alright, we're still at Caesar's Palace, May 30th. We were on that quiet machine, now we're back on this machine to exact revenge. Max bet on pennies. 375. He's laughing. Please pop it. First spin magic. Hello? No such luck yet. Okay. Second spin is totally fine. Third spin is what I meant. Third spin. Come on, people. Adele is watching. We want to impress Adele with our Mo Mummy skills. We want to impress Adele, Mr. Mummy. Pop it. Free spins has been crazy, so I don't know if we want it. We'll put in this 55-cent ticket. Trying to get, what do we have? One spin. Oh, God. Watch it come now on 75 cents. All right, Mo Mummy, we couldn't impress Adele. Thanks for nothing. See you next time, people. Friends, we're at Mo Mummy still, but can you just look at this? We're trying to get a bonus. This has tricked us for putting in another $20. That would have been a ridiculous cash collect if it just popped. Oh my God, imagine. Just getting 3 of them should pop it, just like in Puff and Puff. Max bet. 375. Oh my goodness, that was ridiculous. Okay. Oh my God. What are these numbers? 187. It's trying to trick us, people. This mummy is very tricky. This mummy is very tricky. You see those numbers? And there was a $187 one right after. Hey. Finally, we're at Caesar's Palace. We put in like $200 or $300 on this so far. $3 bets. Let's make it happen. Let's get some of those huge numbers we just saw. 187, 75, 45. $3 bet. All right, Mr. Mummy, let's go. Okay, one more. Okay. We like it so far. On this game, it's usually the journey is the destination. When we get to the full screen, it's usually kind of sad, but we're trying to impress Adele. She's right over there. Let's go. Hello, there was like 15 tries. None of them came through. Okay. One more. Okay. 2 chances for 1 magical green. Okay. Oh yeah, that's what we want to see. Some of those huge ones. We're really trying to impress Adele here, people. She's right there. 3 extra spins. If we just recoup our money, I'm happy. I think we're in for 300 total between our 2 games. 15, $6. We were there. The silent one. Back to the loud one right here. Green. Big one. Another big one. Okay. Can we drop the major in here, please? I like to see progressives. I know we all do. Okay, that's a $45 one. Okay. No progressive, but bigger than most of the other ones. Okay. We need 2 in 1 spin. Do you guys believe? Because I do. Okay, well, my belief is shattered, my hopes and dreams, but it's still good. We can't complain. Is it 1 cent or 2 cents? I think it's 1 cent. Pretty good on a $3 bet. I mean, we tried. 147. I don't think we recouped all of our money, but we did get some of it back. So we'll do a couple backups and see what happens. Back to back, that would be cool. trying to trick us. Oh yeah. Okay, well we have a poker tournament to go play. That was nice recouping some money and seeing a bonus. We impressed Adele, I think. But yeah, thanks for watching, friends. Caesar's Palace, May 30th. See you in the next one, friends.